From which place? Something about
Ma'am, I
you
am from
people.
Kolkata.
You are from Kolkata. Okay. What about other?
Good morning, ma'am. I am Aniket Jain. I am from Ranchi.
Rachi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And I have take branch CSC, Computer Science, BTech.
Okay. Next. Next, beta. Anybody? I mean, we all have to interact with each other. So that's why I want that we should know about each other.
I'm from Tripura.
Hmm?
I'm from Tripura.
Okay. And what about others?
Hello, ma'am.
What about others?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm
I
Shyam
think
Sundar.
Shyam Sundar, good afternoon, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from Jalon, Uttar Pradesh, and I completed my studies from Vidyagan School, Bulandshahr. And it was from PCM with information practice as my sixth subject. And I want to be a software engineer. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Let me admit somebody. It is there. Okay, next. I mean, anybody can give their introduction. It's just a brief introduction. I just want to know something about you people.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Radha Krishna. I born and brought up
Radha
in
Krishna.
Nawada, Bihar, and I have completed my whole study in Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Okay, good, very good. Next. Please, you should start. I mean, anybody can give their introduction. It's not like I should recall their name, then only they will give their introduction. It's like that you can give your introduction. Haji. Next. There's someone who want to join this. Fine. Yes. Let me give you my introduction. Myself, Dr. Manisha Singh, and I will be taking your this subject HSM 181, which is entrepreneurship, economics, and finance. I hope आप लोगों ने नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा. ये सुना है?
No, miss.
Yes, ma'am. Suna hai.
Have you heard the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have anybody idea about this economics or entrepreneurship, like finance? Any idea? I'm not asking about any perfect explanation, but just a vague idea if you have.
I'm investing in something.
Let me admit the students better, then I will start. You were saying something, Radha Krishna.
Ma'am, in investment in something.
Ma'am, to solve problems.
Ma'am, related to daily life.
Sorry, but I'm not getting your voice. Can you be a bit
Related
loud?
to daily life.
Related to daily life. Okay. Anyone else? Anybody else?
Related to starting businesses.
Related to study businesses. Very good, very good. Anybody else? Those who want to share their opinion?
setting up their own startups.
Okay.
Marketing
That's good.
field, ma'am.
Okay, I'm getting good responses from you people. Very good.
मैम कि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी कुछ का बिजनेस और अगर मैं किसी और को बिजनेस प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ उसको काम करने के लिए दे रहा हूँ तो वो भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
Okay. Good, very good. I mean, Is there any girl who want to share their opinion, or only boys will be sharing their opinion? No girl is interested in sharing their opinion. I am looking forward to get some opinion from any girl. कोई भी नहीं, कोई शेयर नहीं करेगा, मतलब no girl is interested in sharing their opinion. Why it is so भाई, ऐसा क्यों? Nobody is interested. See, we will enjoy only when we will interact with each other. हाँ जी, कुछ कह रहे थे आप बेटा, बोली?
I don't have any idea about this.
Okay, no issue. I'm just asking what you're thinking. I'm not asking that. It's not necessary that you have read this subject. No, it's not necessary because you are from the science background. I mean, have you heard this term that is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur, have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. So what do you understand by this term? Again, I'm saying I'm not asking any definition, anything.
Building up their own businesses.
Okay. Anything else? Anything else?
Starting their own companies and like that kind of
Startups.
thing. Startups, yes, we can say startups.
Okay, okay. Or can you name 5 entrepreneurs?
Elon Musk,
Ma'am, Jeff Bezos,
Bill Gates.
Sergey Brin,
Okay, there's someone. Let
Miss
them
Mark
answer.
Zuckerberg,
Larry Page,
Okay, very good.
and Mark Zuckerberg.
Hmm.
And ma'am, I can't remember the name. Our university's only student. He started a startup regarding robotics. I read his name, but I forgot it.
You're not able to recall that name.
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
Shandip Maheshwari,
Ma'am, Javed Karim, Steve Chen, and Chad Hurley. Those who made YouTube.
I mean, it's good. It's good that you know many things about this entrepreneurship. I mean, it's really very good. So before starting this subject, that is entrepreneurship, finance, and this economics. So first we have to understand, or first we should know some basic things or basic terminology. What does I mean by this basic terminology? Is this that we should understand the basic things like the for let everybody enter, then I will start my lecture, because else these students will miss some important things. I'm just waiting for few more minutes. If there is anybody, those who want to join, they can join, so that nobody should miss anything. Let's just wait for few more minutes. because if I started sharing my screen and somebody else want to join, then they will miss that thing. So that's I'm just waiting for few moments. Shall we wait for few more minutes so that if there is any student, those who want to join, they can join? Or shall I start the lecture?
Please start.
Sorry, beta, I'm not getting your voice. I would request you if you can be a bit louder.
Ma'am, please, you may start. I think nobody will come.
Okay, sure. Just let me present my screen and please let me know whether it is visible to all of you or not. Fine, just give me a few minutes. I'm going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
present my screen to the entire class. Just give me a few minutes. You want to say something, Kushan? Kushi, sorry. Kushi, you want to say something, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I thought you want to say something because you have unmuted yourself. Is my screen visible to the entire class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Just let me check that I have started the recorded option on. Okay, fine. So today we are going to understand the meaning of economy. What do we mean by this term economy, and what are their different types? Before coming to this economy and before coming to this the different types of economy, first we have to understand some basic terminology. We have to understand some basic terminology which is related to the subject economics. Let me show you that presentation which is having that terminology related to economics, because every time whenever we will be discussing this economics, this
Ma'am, your
we
screen
have to
isn't visible.
I know, beta. I have just done this. Just give me a
Okay, ma'am.
few minutes. No issues. Just give me a moment. I'm just doing it. My see before again I'm presenting my screen and please let me know. Is it visible to the entire class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if there is someone, let them enter. Okay, thank you, Kaustav. Thank you so much. So before I want that I should start about this economy. That what is economy? What are the different types of economy? It is very mandatory, or it is very essential to all of us that we should understand the basic terminology which is related to economics. First we will understand these terms, because every time whenever we are going to deal with this economics, or we are going to move ahead, we will come across this terminology. Every time we are going to face this terminology a number of times. First of all, the basic terminology, the first term which I'm going to discuss with you people, that is want. So, if I'm going to ask you that what is need, what is want? So you will say, "Ki ma'am, fine, the needs, these are the basic needs like food, clothes and shelter. These are the basic necessities for any human being to survive." Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am, they are needs.
you. Okay. Now, we have to understand these need and these wants in terms of economics. What do we mean by all these things in terms of economics? So, what is want? See, anything which you have a strong desire, that is want. It simply means that if I'm feeling thirsty, if I'm feeling thirsty, and I have a strong desire for some soft drink. Even though I can quench my thirst by simply drinking the water, but instead of drinking the water, I'm preferring to consume some soft drink. Then this is nothing but this is a want. I hope it's clear to the entire class. Anything for which you have a strong desire. Let's suppose I'm not getting your voice, Peter, because from your side a lot of disturbance is coming. Either I think there are some people. Avik, you want to say something? Can you do one thing, Peter? Because from your side lot of noise is coming. Can you text? Can you text or can you write in the chat box? See, again, I'm quoting an example in case of what wants. That is that though you might be having a number of dresses in your wardrobe, but if you have strong desire that I want to purchase a dress designed by Manish Paul, Manish Malhotra, then that is nothing but that is a want. For anything, if you have a strong desire, then it automatically becomes what? Is that clear to you? If anybody can respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let's come to the second terminology, and that is scarcity. Now, what do we mean by this term scarcity? See, as we have discussed this.
Lack of something, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. Who said this thing? Who was that?
Subro Chakraborty.
Very good, Chakravarti. It's very good, very nice. See, we all know that our wants are unlimited. In case of an individual, the wants are limited, or in case of society, the wants are unlimited. We have unlimited wants. You might have noticed sometimes when you were watching the lessons of those spiritual gurus, and they used to say that desires are not going to end. You have unlimited desires, and it's the fact that as a human being we have unlimited desires, we have unlimited wants. But is it possible that all the demands, all the wants or all the desires can be fulfilled? No, practically that is not possible. Now, why it is not possible? Because the resources which we have are very limited. We have a limited resources. Let's take an example. For example, land. We have a limited land, right? India is a country, so whatever geographical boundary is there, in that geographical boundary in the globe, we just figure it out that fine, this is our nation, this is India. No, we cannot extend that land. We cannot, go to the or can capture the boundary of other neighboring country and then we can call it that fine, this is India. No, that's not possible, because we have a limited resources, that is maybe in terms of natural resources or be other resources. So those demands cannot be fulfilled entirely. All the unlimited demands, all the unlimited desires cannot be fulfilled with those resources which are available. And that is the reason, let's take an example of water. See, whatever the water level is in this our country, I'm just quoting an example, that is in India, because the want or the desire or the demand, or we can say the demand of the water is more. What we are having, that good drinking water, which people are able to drink, because that demand cannot be fulfilled easily because with that limited water. And that's why when we see the farmers of Vidarbha, जब आप विदर्भ के farmers को देखते हो, you see that the number of farmers, they are committing suicide. Either they are migrating from that place. क्यों जा रहे हैं वहां से बाहर? क्योंकि water की scarcity है. Why there's a scarcity? Because we need water for n number of things. For n number of things. For farming, for drinking. For each and everything, we need water. But the what we can say, but the water that is available in a limited amount, we can't do anything for that, since the resources are limited but the demands or the wants are unlimited. So there would be a mismatch, because we don't have enough resources to meet the needs or the wants of the society. So automatically the scarcity comes into the picture. And that is what is written over here, that the condition when there are not enough resources to satisfy all the wants of an individual or society. Let's take an example. Here it is given, water scarcity. Is there someone who want to join? Let's see who's there. I think there's nobody. For example, water scarcity. The example written over here is the global warming and the changing weather has caused some part of the world to become drier and rivers to drier because of the global warming. The problem is like that some parts of the world, just like I have just quoted the example of Maharashtra, that is the place in the Maharashtra, that is Vidarbha. We are now in this example, we are just quoting the example of a world. Earlier I was quoting the example of India. So those parts of the world are becoming drier and the rivers are also dry up. Because of this thing, there is a shortage of drinking water for both the human beings as well as animals. So we don't have enough water to fulfill the needs or the wants of the entire human society, or even in case of a water, we can take the example of animals too. So what is that? That is scarcity. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting response from others. Let's wait for others.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others? Are you getting?
All clear.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So that is what we mean by scarcity. Now let's see another terminology. The other terminology related to economics is the opportunity cost. Now, what do we mean by this opportunity cost? When I'm saying the opportunity cost, let's suppose as a after completing your BTech, I'm just quoting an hypothetical example, although you have taken admission now only, so still there are 4 years to complete your BTech. But let's suppose after completing your BTech, you have 2 options. Either to go for your startup, to go for your own business, or to get a good job in some company. You have 2 options. It means some company visited your campus and they have selected you for the job with a handsome salary. And the other option is that you can go for your own startup. Now you think that what option should I choose, and after taking a time you just come to the conclusion that okay, fine, I'm not going for my startup. I'm taking this alternative of getting a job with a handsome salary. I'm okay with that. I'm not ready to take risk. Fine. Now, when you have chosen this second alternative, that is a good job with a handsome salary in some company XYZ, what is that second alternative which you have sacrificed? What is that second alternative which you have sacrificed? Can anybody reply? Startup. Very good. So the alternative which you have sacrificed was your startup. You're planning to start your own business, and this is nothing but an opportunity cost. Those who, I don't know about you people, I'm sorry to say that, but again I'm repeating, and this time I'm repeating in Hindi so that each and everybody should understand this thing. देखिए बहुत बार मतलब इकोनॉमिक्स में तो it's very common, but let me give you an example based on your life only. आपकी लाइफ पे एक एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ कि आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर बीटेक, अगर मान लीजिए आपने अपना आफ्टर 4 years जब आपके पास डिग्री है, एट दैट टाइम आपके कैंपस में कोई कंपनी विजिट करती है और आपको जॉब के लिए सेलेक्ट कर लेती है, भाई बहुत अच्छी सैलरी के साथ. आपके पास दूसरा ऑप्शन भी था कि आप अपना स्टार्टअप के लिए जा सकते थे, आपका खुद का बिजनेस हो सकता था. तो आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस थे कि आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माय बीटेक मैं अपने बिजनेस के लिए जा सकता हूँ, या फिर जिस कंपनी ने मुझे सेलेक्ट किया है, जो प्लेसमेंट के लिए आए हैं, वहां पे मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी जॉब मिल गई है विद अ हैंडसम सैलरी, विद आई मीन गुड सैलरी पैकेज. अब आप सोचते हैं कि फाइन मुझे अपना स्टार्टअप के लिए नहीं जाना, क्योंकि स्टार्टअप में भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है बिकॉज द पीपल आर गोइंग टू से कि देयर आर सम रिस्क, कुछ रिस्क होंगे. अब मुझे अभी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू कि मैं अभी जॉब ले लेता हूँ. आफ्टर 5 or 6 years वी विल थिंक अबाउट इट, हम सोचेंगे इसके बारे में, लेकिन अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे जॉब ले लेना चाहिए. तो आप जॉब के लिए अग्री कर देते हैं, एंड व्हाटएवर इज दैट यू साइन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और व्हाटएवर इट इज. अब क्योंकि आपने ये जॉब के लिए अग्री किया है या इस जॉब को आपने ओके कर दिया है, तो वो जो पहला ऑल्टरनेटिव था यानी कि अपना स्टार्टअप होना, इसे आपने सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया है. एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट अ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. ये और कुछ नहीं है बेटा, दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. लाइक हियर इट इज रिटन द कॉस्ट ऑफ नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव विच इज गिवन अप. वो नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव जो आपने गिव अप कर दिया है, वो आपका अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट है. इज दैट क्लियर टू द एंटायर क्लास? हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
wait for the other. Oh, fine. Sorry. So what I'm trying to say, sorry, sir, I was not aware about it. So the opportunity cost is that you are choosing the second best alternative. You are choosing the second next best alternative. That it means you have the 2 alternatives and you have sacrificed the one alternative, and that is nothing but that is an opportunity cost. यानी जब भी आपके पास 2 ऑल्टरनेटिव है और अगर आप किसी ऑल्टरनेटिव को सेक्रीफाइस कर देते हैं, यानी आपके पास 2 बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव थे, you have 2 best alternative and you have sacrificed the one best alternative, that is nothing but an opportunity cost. Are you getting me, class? Are you getting me, class? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody is having a doubt, please ask me. Fine. Let's see an example. Just now I have given you the example, like you have two options of getting a good job and to go for your own startup. That was the two option, and you have taken the option of getting a good job. So you have sacrificed the second alternative, that was going for your own startup. And when you have sacrificed the second alternative, this was nothing but an opportunity cost. Let's see another example. Let's suppose if you are planning to go for a movie, if things are normal, we are not let's just assume, it's an hypothetical situation कि अभी अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, if we are not living in this pandemic situation, then if you have two options, then that you can go for the movie the upcoming Sunday, or you can stay at home and you can help your mother. Fine, you have these two alternatives, and you thought that okay, fine, instead of going for a movie, I will be staying at home and will be helping my mother. You have two alternatives for this upcoming Sunday. The one option was to go for a movie, and the second option was to help your mother. So you have chosen that fine, I'm going to help my mother instead of going for a movie. And that is nothing but that is an opportunity cost, that you have sacrificed the plan to go for a movie. आप जो मूवी के लिए जाने वाले थे, आपने उसको sacrifice कर दिया. This is nothing but this is an opportunity cost. I hope it's clear to the entire class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Now I am going to give you a very interesting example. See, if you visit to some ice cream parlor and you have 100 rupees in your pocket, and you have two options, that either you can buy strawberry or Rocky Road, and you have decided that fine, I'm going to consume Rocky Road instead of strawberry. So when you are consuming sorry, when you are consuming the Rocky Road, then the opportunity cost is that you missed that enjoyment of strawberry. When you, because you have only 100 rupees, and with those 100 rupees, either you can purchase Rocky Road or strawberry. Because you have decided that I'm going to purchase the Rocky Road, it means you have missed the chance to enjoy a taste of strawberry, and that is nothing but that is an opportunity cost. Now, is that clear to the entire class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now what I need that you people should give me some example related to this opportunity cost. Any example which is coming in your mind. Any example which is coming in your mind related to this opportunity cost. In that case, where you will be having two best alternatives. Starting from Radha Krishna. Is he here?
Ma'am.
Okay, fine. हाँ, बोलिए बेटा.
Ma'am, choosing of career in suppose ma'am there is two option of choosing a career like medical and engineering, and I chooses engineering, so the best opportunity cost is medical.
Very good, very good, very good, wonderful. Anybody else? Those who want to share their experience, their
Yes,
opinion?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए श्याम.
Yes, ma'am. I also have one option that if we say that we have two choices in our colleges, to select two choices means we have two choices to select one of them, and in which, like, lifetime example I'll give that if we have two colleges and in one of them we are getting 100% scholarship, and other one we are getting our dreamed course. But
Very good.
first one we are not getting our dream course. So
Very
we'll
good.
have two choices, and we'll also have to decide upon our means facial means yes financial condition will decide this.
Good. Very good. Very good, Shyam Sundar. Huh. Anybody else? Those who want to say something? If they want to give any example related to opportunity cost, I would like to hear something from girl side. Any girl? If they want to give any example, Aparna is ready to give example. Yes, beta.
मैम एक स्कूल लाइफ से मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन आया था, शेयर कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ, श्योर बेटा, श्योर.
लाइक इन क्लास 12th मेरे पास दो अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. फर्स्ट वन इज डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट करना एंड सेकंड वन इज चेस प्ले करना. एंड दोनों मेरा इंटरेस्टेड फील्ड था, बट उसमें से भी मेरे को एक चूज करना था, तो मैंने डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट करना चूज किया. तो यहाँ पे मेरे साथ वही अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट मेरे साथ यही चेस के प्लेइंग में हो गया. मतलब
very good. See, why I'm asking all these things, because my motto is that you should understand the concept. आपको concept समझ में आ जाए. See, we are not going to mug up all the things. हमें वो mug up नहीं करना है. We don't have to do that कि सारी चीजों को mug up कर ले. We have to understand the concept. Once we have understood the concept, then it becomes very easy to relate it with everything. I mean, I'm very happy that you people have understood very well this opportunity cost, and that's why you are able to give the example. Is there anybody from the class who haven't understood this opportunity cost? If there is anybody, please let me know. अगर कोई ऐसा है जिसको समझ में नहीं आया opportunity cost, please मुझे बताइए. Is there anybody? I think.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलिए टीशा.
Ma'am, can I ask you something that came to my mind when you gave the first example?
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
That startup and a good package. Ma'am, बोलिए. अगर हम लोग पहले like startup नहीं करके we are going for the placements, we are getting a good company. फिर वहाँ से कुछ like बैंक बैलेंस जमा के when we are going for startup, what opportunity cost कौन सा वाला होगा मैम?
हाँ देखिए. Very good question, Tisha. See, opportunity cost is related at a specific point of time. Fine, at a specific point of time. Like right now, if I have to take a decision whether I want to become an entrepreneur or I should go for a job. So at this point of a time, if I have decided that fine, I'm going for a job rather for starting my own startup. So just giving this second alternative, that just I'm giving up this idea of starting my own business. This is nothing but an opportunity cost. Later on, if you have decided that okay fine, maybe this plan will be in your mind that fine, after just saving enough money, after 4 or 5 years I will start my own business. Good, no issues. But at that point of a time, let's suppose after 5 years, when again you will be having a good option, 2 options, you will again be in dilemma, and you will be thinking that let's suppose after 5 years, if you have this condition that your boss is saying that Tisha, you can be promoted within 6 months. You will be promoted, your designation will change, your salary will increase, this and that. And you have this thinking in your mind that fine, because I have enough money, I have enough saving, can I go for my own business? Can I go for my own dream, just to fulfill my own dream? Or can I go for my own startup? Can I do this thing? So what is that? That is nothing. But at that point of a time, it means after 5 years, again, you have to choose only one alternative. Either you can go for your own startup, or either you can think, fine, because my boss is saying that after 6 months, I have a good chance, I can go for on-site, I can be promoted. So should I stick to this job? Then that is nothing. But again, if you are planning, or again you decided that now this is the high time, I should go for my own business instead of sticking to the job, then what you are sacrificing? You are sacrificing your job to start your own business. And that at that point of a time, to sacrificing your job, that is an opportunity cost. I hope now it's clear to you, Tisha. Tisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's clear.
Thank you, बेटा. Thank you so much. देखिए, फिर से मैं आपको समझाती हूँ कि अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट जिस स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे आपको डिसीजंस लेने हैं, जैसे आज अगर आपको डिसाइड करना है, लाइक after 12th, if I have decided whether, or maybe after 10th, we have to decide in the ICSE board, like, should I go for the science stream or should I go for the commerce stream? So what is that? That is like the next best alternative, which I am sacrificing. That is an opportunity cost. It's not like that after 10 or 15 years, you are just going back and thinking, okay, fine, tab kya hota? Nahin. At that point of a time only you have to decide. And that, for that period, it would be an opportunity cost. I hope it's clear. Now, since we have discussed about this basic terminology, that what do we mean by this scarcity, what do we mean by this this opportunity cost. Now let's understand the meaning of economy. Now, what is an economy? So please, it's my request that please don't forget this basic terminology, that is scarcity, opportunity cost, because this will come number of times in economics. So you should remember all these things. And apart from these things, I'm just going to this slide. Yes. Can you see the slide where resources are written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Beta. See, again, 3 things, or 4 things which you have to keep in your mind is that what do we mean by the resources in economics? What do we mean by this resources in economics? See, in economics, resources are also termed as factors of production. These are also called factors of production. And what are the factors of production? All those things which are used in production of goods and services, these are called resources or factors of production. वो सारी चीजें जो किसी गुड्स और सर्विसेज को प्रोड्यूस करने में यूज होती हैं, उन्हें या तो हम फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कहते हैं या हम उन्हें रिसोर्सेज कहते हैं. और ये रिसोर्सेज अगर हम इकोनॉमिक के टर्म्स में बात करें तो देयर आर 4 टाइप ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, एंड दीज आर योर लैंड, योर लेबर, योर कैपिटल, and the last one is entrepreneurship. Land, we all understand कि land क्या है. Labor, that is your manpower which will work in your organization. जो आपकी कंपनी में काम करेंगे वो लोग, वो एम्प्लॉइज, वो मैन पावर, दैट इज लेबर. कैपिटल, आपका वो पैसा जो आप लगाएंगे अपने बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने में, दैट इज कैपिटल. अच्छा, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि अपने बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने में, लाइक व्हेन आई एम सेइंग कि रिसोर्सेज, जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अभी एग्जिस्टिंग है, दोज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस व्हिच आर करेंटली एग्जिस्टिंग, वो उनके लिए भी रिसोर्सेज जो है वो यही रहेंगे इकोनॉमिक्स के टर्म्स में. These resources will be same for all organization. be it existing or it might be that that organization will come in existence in near future, या वो near future में आए या फिर आपकी अभी existing है. सबके लिए इकोनॉमिक्स के टर्म्स में जो रिसोर्सेज हैं वो यही रहेंगे. Is that clear? Is that clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, what do we mean by land? Land refers to everything on earth. जो भी चीज अर्थ पे है, that is in its natural state or earth's natural resources. यानी अर्थ के natural resources या वो चीज अपने natural state में है, that comes or that falls into this resources which we called land. Right? The next one is labor. What do we mean by labor? Labor means the people, your employee, those who work in the economy. Those people, those who are contributing in the economy. Now, how they are contributing in the economy? See, if I'm employee, I will be getting a salary. Then again, I will be paying tax to the government. So somewhere, directly or indirectly, I am contributing in the economy. Again, you can say, ma'am, if we do not fall into the category of income tax, let's suppose we don't have an income of more than 5 lakh or 4 lakh, let's suppose. Fine, okay, I agree. But don't you think that the people, those who do not fall into the category, that income tax payer category, is still, they will be consuming something, they will be consuming the eatable items, they will be purchasing the clothes. So somehow, if not directly, indirectly they are contributing to the economy. अगर directly contribute नहीं कर रहे हैं तो indirectly तो इकोनॉमी में कंट्रीब्यूट कर ही रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कोई प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर रहे हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली आप उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पे कर रहे हैं. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बाद में क्या होगा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा. इफ आई एम नॉट फॉलोइंग इनटू दैट इनकम टैक्स पेयर कैटेगरी, इन दैट कैटेगरी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज योर कैपिटल. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय कैपिटल? सी, कैपिटल, simply as I said, it means money needed to start and operate a business. The money which is required to start a business, to run your business smoothly. And when we are saying at the organization level, if I'm taking it at the single firm level, then this is at the firm level. Yes. So is there somebody who want to ask something? Is there anybody who want to ask something? Wait. So here we are. So we were saying that capital. What is capital? Capital is nothing but that money which you need to start your business, because you have to purchase a raw material, you are going to pay a salary to your employees. So for each and everything, you need money. So just to run your business, you need a money, and that is at the organization level. Apart from that, the capital can also be understood in terms of infrastructure. Like we say always that FDI will be interested, yani foreign direct investment will be there if in India we will be having a good infrastructure. Infrastructure means like your roads, your sanitation facilities, ports. What is all that? That is infrastructure facilities. So from the economy level, from the perspective or from the viewpoint of economy, the capital means your infrastructure. From the organization level, it means the money you need to start a business. Hope that's clear to you. And entrepreneurship is the people, the skills of the people, those people those who are willing to take the risk, take the risk, they are taking risk for what? For their time as well as their money. They are taking the risk for their time and for the money to run a business. Is that clear to the entire class? Is that clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Aparna. Thank you, Aparna. Thank you, Deepa. Very.
You are not clear.
You are not clear with which concept, beta? I'm not getting your voice. See, Shubhro, what we are trying to say that there are 4 factors of production in an economy, or in an economics there are 4 factors of production. That is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Land, we all understand that whatever I mean that can be natural resources or whatever is there on the earth that falls into the category of land. When we say that the labor simply means the employees, the manpower which is going to work with you. The next one is your this capital. So for an organization, for a single organization or for every organization, the capital is money. But if I'm taking the example of a country, then the capital means the infrastructure. The infrastructure, your roads, your transport system, everything. That is from the perspective of, or from the viewpoint of economy. Audio is perfectly all right. Okay, thank you. Then that is capital. Shubhro, it might be because some of you are not getting, because you might be having a that net connectivity issue, and I would request you that please just you should have that best this network, so that you could not face the net connectivity issue or net connectivity problem, because all the rest of the people, they are getting the perfect audio, but only some people are facing the problem, because that is problem from their side. So I would request to the entire class that please look into this matter. So we were discussing the capital. The capital was for the organization, it is money. For the economy, it is your infrastructure. And the last one is your entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, it simply means those person. Thank you, Bhomik, that my audio is clear. Thank you so much. Thank you for telling me. Entrepreneurship are those who are willing to take the risk. They are ready to take the risk. They don't bother that we don't scare from anything. We are ready to take the risk. Then that is entrepreneurship, and these are 4 factors of production. Is that clear to the entire class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now